Okay.
I got a fart. Alright, I'm gonna play some music. This crowd is right down.
Oh my god.
Let's see if it freaking works. Oh my god! Play! Pissing me off!
Dude, I think I just pissed my pants.
You know what? It's not freaking working!
Dude, I seriously think I just peed my pants.
Let's see if it freaking works on a movie.
Dude, if it doesn't work...
You know what? Frickety frick frackety frick frack.
You know what?
I don't think it's gonna work.
It's not freaking working!
Pissing me off!
Holy shit! Oh my god!
Ready?
I love how I'm just chilling here. Dude, stop. Dude, I'm about to seriously, like, piss all over the couch. And my mom just cleaned it, and there's mail all over here. You see this? Alright, bye. Bye!